Look what I got you. Come here, check it out. Look, got you some catnip. Butterball. Butterball, look. Come here. Come here. Go check it out. Go on. Go on, baby. She's gonna check out this catnip. Go ahead. What is that? What is that, huh? What is it? What is that, huh? It's catnip. Oh, she's going. Look at her. You like that, huh? Oh, she's having a field day with that. You like that, huh? Yeah? It's your new toy. There's a little ball in there too for you to play with. Well, you want the catnip. You are too cute, Butterball. Look at you. You are loving on that. And you don't even notice that ball. Okay, I'll let you play. Go ahead. You have fun, okay?